guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Guys, I'm so excited to have my face here on the side of the internet for another video. Today this video is a very exciting one because it's one of my favorite videos to do. It's a fall decor with me. You guys know when I decorate with my dogs in the neighborhood, when I decorate, it's very chic, very simple, should I say clutter free. That's what we're going to do today. But today is actually a special video. It is my neighbors are passing and staring at me like I'm crazy. It is actually a collaboration with one of my favorite YouTubers here on YouTube. I will give you guys more details as we get into it. Listen, you're going to love this video. I want this video to make you feel cozy, warm, to give you an idea that when you decorate, it does not always have to be crazy busy. Now, let me get out of here before my neighbor's dog drive me crazy. Let's get into the video. Let's go. As I stated previously, this video was going to be a collaboration. Today, I am collaborating with My Happy Home. Irelis is her name. My Happy Home is her channel's name. You are going to love this beautiful soul. My Happy Home, we have done so many other collaborations before, and if you want to find some nice fall colors and some warmth, show you guys that coziness, the true color of fall, you will love this video. Please tell her Gladys sent you, show her some love, and everything will be down below. Now I'm going to start with my living room being bare and plain. I removed everything, I vacuumed everything, I spared you from all of that. I dusted everything, and we're going to go ahead and get decorated. Oh my God, let's do it. So I told you guys in my previous videos that I wanted my home to feel very warm and cozy. I have lots of neutral furniture, and it can be a little bit plain and boring. For fall, I wanted to bring in the fall colors from the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate lots of brown, a little bit of orange to just make this place very cozy. And this pillow that I showed you guys is a pillow cover from Amazon, and I have some pillow covers from IKEA that I've used throughout the whole year. So that's what we're going to go ahead and utilize. But I am loving how everything is coming out together. So my idea behind my decoration is I really wanted to grab a lot of natural elements and add a lot of warm colors. So it's not so much pumpkin, so much gourd or anything like that. I just wanted that designer filled home, but I still wanted to add my fall colors. That is fall to me. I don't want to just be all white, so I wanted to add some fall colors. But as you can see, the stem was not cooperating with me, but I was like, no. You're going to go back exactly how I want you to go. Now, you may think that the stem is a little bit too long for the TV stand, but it's exactly how I want it to be. I wanted that designer look with only one stem in the vase. It's exactly how I want it to be. I just wanted to add a lot of designer materials. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this vase, but this vase currently is expensive in the market. It's a designer dupe, but this, I actually got it from Burlington. Now, I got some vase fillers, I got some pine cones, and some, pumpkin, white pumpkin, just to bring some neutrals. Oh my God. Those pine cones smell delicious. Oh my God, it just smells so good. My whole entire home just smells like fall, like with adding some natural pampas grass that I sprayed actually with some hair spray, so it doesn't fly everywhere. But let's continue decorating, guys. I'm just loving how everything has turned out to be here.
Time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you.
So here is just only have the length. Sorry if you see my tripod through the mirror. That's what it is when you have a mirror reflecting. So we're gonna go ahead and decorate here, and yeah, let's do it. We're gonna put this first vase, and this is my vase from Crate and Barrel. Love that vase, it's beautiful. Love the black and white aesthetic of it. It matches my decor perfectly. I'm gonna add one long vase right here. Then we're gonna grab this black vase, which is from Ross at $11.99. It's beautiful. Love the aesthetic of this vase. Reminds me of a CB2 vase. We are going to go ahead and add one short vase right over here to give a little bit of asymmetric look. And we're gonna go ahead and add our florals to them. Now I have everything set up here. The flower I'm gonna add is this one from Hobby Lobby. It's beautiful, love that. They were $5.99 each, 40% off, less than $4. So yes. These two, however, I'm gonna push my length a little bit to give a little bit space for the mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sculpture right in the middle. I should have some books under, but I don't have enough books, and that's okay. So I'm gonna add it like that. Please guys, don't forget to show my friend Arilis some love. Please go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Let her know Gladys sent you. If you already subscribed to her channel, go ahead and click on her like button, and also let her know that you're here to watch back another video coming from Gladys's channel. I would truly appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you're new here and you're coming from Arilis's page, again, my name is Gladys. This is what I love to do, is home decor, for the things here and there. Stay tuned for more videos, and also for the whole entire house tour. You're going to love it. My kitchen is up next. We're gonna pick some cookies, drink some hot chocolate. We're gonna have a chocolate bar, my entryway, my front porch. There's so much more to watch. I can't wait. Stay tuned guys, and stay tuned to see here all cozy up later on at night. Thank you guys.